The Bora Portamate? The ToughBuilt C550 or C700? Perhaps the WorkPro? Which one should you buy? In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 folding sawhorses available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best folding sawhorses. The 5th product on this list is the ToughBuilt C550. A sawhorse is essentially a beam with 4 legs that are used to support a board or plank for sawing. The ToughBuilt C550 folding sawhorse is designed to help you cut planks into the perfect size without making mistakes while saving on space. We particularly liked that this folding sawhorse is built with high-quality steel, making it very strong and rugged enough to withstand anything a job site can throw at it. Additionally, the C550 has a maximum capacity of 1,100 pounds, making it a highly capable bit of kit. Furthermore, you can turn the sawhorse into a work table to put your work tools. This is thanks to its 2 support arms that helps you to transform it within a minute. We noticed that this sawhorse has pegs for supporting materials, so you can keep them upright and secure, which is especially handy when working from a height. When you put your materials in an upward position using this sawhorse, it makes cutting easier. We were quite impressed by how uncomplicated it is to use this sawhorse. Its feet are straightforward to fold, so you can store it away when not in use without a hassle. The ToughBuilt is easy to set up and very stable. No matter the floor type, it will always be firmly planted. Lastly, this sawhorse is resistant to corrosion, which makes it one of the toughest sawhorses on the market today, as you can use it under all weather conditions. Its pros are, it has a carry handle to make transportation easier, it has rolled edges to keep you from injuries, and it has a lifetime warranty. However, its legs are not telescopic, so you're stuck with a single height. The ToughBuilt C550 is a foldable sawhorse made to make your work safer and more manageable at all job sites. Up next in 4th place is the Bora Portamate 3300T. This next unit is one of the most trusted sawhorses from the Bora Portamate series. It is a sleek sawhorse with a track record of being a reliable work buddy to many professionals and DIYers. This sawhorse has a comfortable height of 33 inches to enable you to work from a comfortable position. Each sawhorse can support up to 500 pounds, so a pair acting as a scaffold can support 1,000 pounds, which should be more than enough for most tasks. We particularly liked that this unit is compact, so that you can store it in a pretty small space. Also, it doesn't take up much of your workplace or job site, giving you enough room to store other work tools you need. Everyone knows that assembling can be a hassle, which is why this sawhorse comes fully assembled from the factory. This makes it the favorite of those that are not fans of complex assembling. We found that it is built with solid metal materials that are powder coated to ensure that your sawhorse does not get corroded under harsh weather on job sites. After buying this sawhorse, you can rest assured that you made the right choice because Bora customer care will always respond to any complaint from you. A 1-year warranty also backs it. Even better, the 3300T is leading the competition when it comes to affordability. Despite its sturdily built, it remains one of the budget-friendly sawhorses in the market today. Its pros are, it requires no assembling so you can use it right away. It is very stable, making it suitable for all kinds of work sites, and it offers one of the best working heights for taller people. However, the buttons that need to be pressed to fold away the legs can be very stiff. The Bora Portamate 3300T is a stable sawhorse that requires no assembly, making it ideal for DIYers wanting to get a quick job done over the weekend. Still haven't found a folding sawhorse that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the ToughBuilt C700. Here's another formidable piece of equipment from the ToughBuilt series, the C700, designed with adjustable legs, which makes it immediately stand out compared to other sawhorses that we have talked about so far. We found that the C700 is sturdily built with high-grade steel materials and designed to work on any job site. Its rugged design is cut out for the toughest of all jobs. It is the sawhorse you need to support weighty logs as it has a maximum weight capacity of 1,300 pounds, and a pair will offer you 2,600 pounds weight capacity. Additionally, you can deploy its support arms to change your sawhorse to a job site table that can support all your working tools and elevate them to a comfortable height that you can reach easily without bending. We liked that this sawhorse offers strong material support pegs that you can use to keep your materials in the most convenient position. As a bonus, it has rounded edges and a cutting bracket that ensures your safety whenever you're cutting material. So when it comes to your safety, C700 has got you covered. Furthermore, it was designed and tested in the United States to ensure that it meets the professional standards. So when quality matters, you can always trust the C700. Finally, its collapsible legs ensure that you can easily transport your sawhorse to your job site, as it does not take much space after collapsing them. Its pros are, you can adjust each leg individually to suit even on ground or simply raise the height. It has a side support mechanism that pops out to offer you more functionality, and it is sturdily built with only steel and no plastic parts. However, weighing 23 pounds each, this pair of foldable sawhorses is not a lightweight option. The ToughBuilt C700 is a highly adaptable and very robust unit that will serve you well for years to come. The second product on this list is the WorkPro 3000 pounds. If you are working with heavy lumber, you need a stronger sawhorse that can carry any type of weight. That is where the WorkPro comes in with its 3,000 pound capacity. The WorkPro is built using high tensile steel materials to ensure that it outlasts others on the market. Furthermore, this sawhorse also allows you to adjust its height to suit your work type. That means no more backaches from bending in awkward positions while sawing. It has 9 release height adjustments that enable you to raise or lower it and even make it the perfect height for use as a workbench. We particularly like that this is one of the easy-to-use sawhorses in the market today, as it has a plastic handle that enables you to carry it from one place to another with ease once it's folded up. So if you need a robust and reliable sawhorse for your next project, this is the way to go. Its pros are, it is very sturdily built, so it can withstand all sorts of jobs. It is pretty compact, making it effortless to transport, and it has an adjustable height, which comes in handy for all manner of tasks. However, its plastic carry handle is not the most comfortable thing to hold. The WorkPro is a highly adjustable unit that makes sawing standard-sized construction panels and 2x4s an absolute breeze. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top folding sawhorse is the Bora Portamate 4500T. Are you wondering why we have this product in the first position on our list? Well, the reason is it simply offers more features than any other. Although it looks sleek, it is a heavy-duty sawhorse that defines utilitarianism in a compact form. We liked that just like the second product on our list, this sawhorse can support up to 1,500 pounds, and a pair can support up to 3,000 pounds. So no matter the weight of wood you have in mind, the 4500T has what it takes to accomplish your task. Furthermore, it is an award-winning sawhorse. In fact, the 4500T won the 2019 Pro Tools Innovation Award as the best in the sawhorse and table category. This sawhorse simply makes a tough job much more manageable. We particularly liked that the Bora Speedhorse is the only sawhorse around with lever quick release deploy technology, offering instant setup and teardown that is 30 times faster than conventional sawhorses. What's more, unlike other units, the 4500T offers extra length to enable you to arrange your tools on your sawhorse-turned job table and keep your workplace well organized. Furthermore, the pre-drilled metal top allows you to screw in 2x4s as makeshift brackets to a work stop. This prolongs the life of your equipment and protects it from damage. Meanwhile, the extra long length of 45 inches provides maximum stability. Lastly, it is effortless to set up and works right out of the box. Overall, we think this is the most user-friendly and comprehensive sawhorse available on the market today. Its pros are, it is very easy to set up or take down, taking only 30 seconds. It has a total capacity of 3,000 pounds, making it suitable for professional use. It has a pre-drilled top so it can be used as a workbench without being damaged, and it is constructed from high-quality materials that are sure to last. However, although it is incredibly fast to deploy, it can't be raised any higher than 30 inches tall, which may not suit some people. The Bora Portamate 4500T is an award-winning sawhorse that is effortless to set up and can be trusted with any heavy-duty work. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.